Welcome to the Bincho Grill Cleaning Guide. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to clean your grill and accessories to keep them in top condition. Let's start by cleaning the stainless steel skewer bars. Use a paint scraper to remove heavy gunk or burnt sauce, as shown here. Then scrub off the remaining cooked-on grease and gunk with soap and water. The harder you scrub, the more buildup you'll be able to remove. Now let's move on to the aluminum insert. Scrub it the same way as the bars, using soap and water. It is very important not to use harsh solvents or chemicals to clean the aluminum charcoal box or insert. Avoid oven or barbecue cleaners, degreasers, and any products containing sodium hydroxide, bleach, vinegar, diethylene glycol monobutyl ether, or acid solutions. These will corrode and weaken the aluminum, which may cause the bottom to melt from hot coals and will void the warranty. Use only dishwashing liquid, soap, and water. Use the paint scraper to remove heavy gunk or burnt sauce from the cooking grates as well. Then scrub them with soap and water to remove any remaining residue. The grill grates and small accessories, like the Keep Warm riser, can be placed in the dishwasher. However, nothing removes baked-on grease as effectively as scrubbing. For stubborn spots, use a 3M scrubber along with coarse stainless steel wool to remove any remaining buildup. Now let's move on to the stainless steel grill body. For best results, use a scrubber with very fine stainless steel wool with soap and water. Do not use degreasers, as they may dull the finish. The wood handles and legs can also be washed with water. Leave all the parts to air dry completely. Once dry, you can use a stainless steel polish to remove any water spots and restore the shine. Your Bincho Grill is now clean and ready for your next cooking session. Clean grill, better flavor. Thanks for watching.